Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you could click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. Going to kick off the day. I'm going to call this some tinkering on the Panther, because that's what it's going to feel like. But actually, it's some serious work. I'm going to replace this passenger front wheel bearing. I'm going to replace this passenger side axle again. Still getting vibrations, feel like it's coming from up this side. I'm going to replace the timing belt with the tensioner and probably the idler. And then I'm going to replace this front engine mount up here and the rear shock on the driver's side. So I better get started. I got it clicking up here, and I think it's a end link, so I'm probably going to do that as well. I kind of got a sad deal here. Something is popping and clicking under here, but I don't see what it is. It's not an end link. Didn't appear to be an end link, which are Volvo. The control arm seemed to be intact. So hopefully, maybe it's this engine mount here. I don't know. I'm about to pop that loose and replace it. So let's get rolling. I'm going to remove those two bolts, jack the engine up a little bit, replace that mount, scrape some of this sludge off of here, and then work on the timing belt and get this axle out, replace this wheel hub. Crack, crack. Mount out, time to scrape this crud from around here, set the new mount in place, set the bolt up in the top hole, work on getting this timing belt off. The engine mount in place with the bolt holding the engine raised, so I'm going to take pressure off of that oil pan, which is not good. And then I'm going to work on getting this serpentine belt off, the timing belt off, and get that replaced. This was the newest wheel bearing on the car. When that CV axle came loose, it destroyed this wheel bearing. See the play on it in and out? I didn't think it was true, but it is. So let me get this tapped out and replaced. I'm having timing belt issues. Somebody sent me what I thought was a new timing belt in this Conitech box. I come to cut my good timing belt off, and it looks like they sent me a used gate belt. I can't even believe this happened. So, not only did I forget my INA idler and forgot my timing belt and cut my good timing belt off, I had to put this used belt on to get back home. Trickery. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.